the router on a stick. Now, explaining about the SVI. It's generally 80% being used by this one, 20% used by this one. Okay. Uh, uh, okay, like that. This one we are not using now. The SVI, switch virtual interface. So how it is working actually? We need to have layer 3 device, layer 3 switch, which can do switching. What is layer 3 switching? Layer 3 device means it can do the switching as well as routing. This type of devices we are calling as a layer 3 device, layer 3 switch, you can say. So here it will allow to configure multiple SBI. Layer 2 switches what some limitation, you can create only one SBI for the management purpose, but here you can configure multiple SBI in order to communicate inter-VLAN communication. So how you will do that? Actually, you need to go on configuration and you need to define the interface. Earlier, you were defining on the router, but topology is like that only. So we have a router here, we have switches router here, then we have switches. This always 99% company you will see as a L3 switches they are using here. L3, L3. They are connecting to in between, then connecting like that, then connecting like that. Okay, for redundancy purpose. Then we have here multiple access switches. Lot of access switches we are using. Lot of access switches will be there here. It will connect one interface this one interface this one interface this one interface this one. Like that, all is connected. Means one interface went down, so other interface can take role. Like that connectivity. So here we will use layer 3. This all the here computer will be connected. So all the traffic will not reach out to gateway. Gateway which we require the internet, ISP, internet, that traffic will go to internet, or else all the traffic will move between this here. Okay, like that. So here we will do inter-VLAN routing. Here we will do HSRP. Here we will do all those things. Generally, inter-VLAN traffic will be happening here. Intercompany traffic, or if within the company traffic, within the same site traffic, kind of like that. So we need to configure SBI here. SBI is nothing but interface, then VLAN number. Whatever VLAN number you want to configure, VLAN 2 for example, and then you need to define the IP address. IP address might be encapsulation is required. We will do encapsulation, then no shutdown. No shutdown is required. And sometimes this VLAN will not come up. So troubleshooting part, you need to assign any user on the particular VLAN or the trunk that VLAN should be allowed, should be active. If not active, then it will not come up. I will show you. Okay. So let's do that. Uh, let's remove this switch only. This router and switch. This router and switch. Then we have layer 3 device. You can say here layer 3. This is layer 3 device. One layer 3 will be okay. Multiple layer 3 also you can try in your lab. So that will also I will by a couple of things is coming up where we need to use multiple devices. For example, spanning tree. I need to explain about configuration and protection. Lot of things is pending where we need to use multiple VLAN. So that's what I'm explaining about the inter-VLAN routing. So might be later on you can understand easily how communication is happening. That's what I taken this topic. 3 4 1 2 3 4, right? See, only this setup I can communicate with two different network. Okay. So how you will do that? Power supply is not connected. So just connect power supply here, and This button we have, power button. This is the fan. Power button is not there, so that's okay. Power button is not there, right? It's on. Okay, fine. Power supply connected and it's on. Okay, let's. I'm not going to assign any VLAN on the interface. I will show you how VLAN look like. First, I will configure the inter VLAN routing. So interface config terminal. So IP interface brief, for example. Okay, I will run so IP interface and so. Okay. So none of the IP address is configured. You can see. Okay, VLAN 1 is assigned, is down already. So just configure interface VLAN 2, no shutdown, IP address 1.1.1.1, 255.255.255.0, no shutdown, no shutdown. But see, I have given multiple time no shutdown command, but port will not come up. So IP interface brief. See here, always line protocol will be down. See, go down here, interface. See, protocol down. So interface VLAN 2. See,
VLAN 1 के लिए सिर्फ अलग से क्यों मेंशन था कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिवली डाउन फॉर
हाँ
VLAN?
वो डाउन रहेगा, एडमिन डाउन। कहाँ पर एडमिन डाउन है? ये VLAN ना, क्योंकि हमने VLAN 1 को एडमिन डाउन ही है, बाय डिफॉल्ट रहता है, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है।
Okay.
If you want, you can make them up, no worry. So it's down because there is no VLAN active on the system. That's what is showing down. As soon as you will assign any of the VLAN on the PC, it will come up immediately. Okay, config T, IP address is done, interface VLAN 2, no shutdown, encapsulation command is not running. Earlier, some of the switches old, you need to define the interface encapsulation as well, but nowadays it's not required, by default is taking. Okay, then configure interface VLAN 3 IP address. First put no shutdown, IP address 2.2.2.1, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, recording is going on. Okay, fine. Done. Now I have shown you like all the will be shut down until you will not assign the port. So go ahead and assign the port here. So config T interface range TIG 1/0/1 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 2. Now see port will up. See VLAN 2 is up. Now you can also re-verify. Do so IP interface. Clear? See now port is came up. Clear, right? Why it was showing down? You will see like it's small thing, but very important in troubleshooting.
Hmm.
I have faced multiple time when I was
Manually
doing
manually
deployment
अब
in.
करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, manually up nahi. You have to define assign the VLAN on the PC or you need to make a trunk.
But
So
like
sometime
उसका
it's
type
not
manual
allowed on.
mention, it's
Yeah, that
mentioned manual.
manual is okay because you have configured manually this interface IP and everything. Okay, therefore it's showing manual. Go ahead and define some of the interface range here as well. 1 to 2, right? I required 2. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 3. Oh, VLAN 2. Do right. Now we will define the range for 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Go ahead, interface range. You can also 3 here. Here is 4. You can give space 4 like that. Generally, do practice like that. Some of devices devices support this one. Sometimes it's not taking. So just take the practice like that. Mode access switch port access VLAN 3. Right. 3 VLAN also came up. You can see here, right? Done. Now you can do the communication as well. To that one. See, it will send some packet. One packet will drop. After that, communication will start happening. Okay. Why is not coming? Because spanning tree is running here, right? It will take 30 seconds. You remember? If you want to make the up, you need to configure his router on. I mean, port fast here and RSTP here, right?
Yes.
See,
Yes.
now you can see communication should happen. If all good.
सिस्टम पे उस उन पोर्ट्स पे हमें बस पोर्ट पास कर देना है और आरएसटीपी कर देना है,
Mhm.
देन ये
Right.
एलिमिनेट
That's
हो
correct.
जाता है.
That's correct. That's correct. Oh, okay. Something is not working here. What is wrong? How you need to troubleshoot? First, check the IP of the PC. Then second step, ping to gateway. Gateway should respond. Ping gateway. It's not by ping gateway first. Ping 1.1.1.1. I know the issue, but just explaining how we need to troubleshoot. 10. 1 gateway, right? Gateway is responding, right? Means is reaching traffic here. Is this device is dropping the packet. I reach out to till gateway. Now I need to check the routing. So IP route. See, routing is not there.
राउटिंग इज एम्प्टी.
Yeah. So a very important command is running in every layer 3 device, that is IP routing. By default, layer 3 switch also work as a layer 2 switch until unless this command will not be enabled. Okay. So if you want to make your device layer 3 device work as a layer 2 as well as layer 3, then you need to run this command. As soon as you will run, this will start acting as a router as well. Now you need to check. So IP route, you will say which interface packet will come up, which interface packet will go. See, now it came up, right? Now communication will start happening. You have seen already like how packet is going on, right? First you have seen physical interface, then you have seen virtual interface. This is also virtual interface, but is VLAN to VLAN transfer is happening. Okay. So how packet is router is doing, I will explain more, but how router, once router will take the packet, right?
So IP routing
Then it
command
will,
is specific only to layer 3
yeah,
switches.
right. When you need to make the switch as a layer 2 as well as layer 3, then you need to enable the IP routing. Once packet received here, so it will check first routing table. So it will check packet where is received. For example, 1.1.10/24 directly connected, received, and where it need to reach. It will check the destination IP. If 2.2, it will check which interface packet need to exit. So once you will check, packet is saying you need, if you have a 2.2, it's learning on VLAN 3. So whatever connected on the VLAN 3, just send the traffic. It's sending VLAN 3 traffic. It's these interfaces, kind of. These interfaces, this interface, this interface is sending the traffic. Cool. Do you have any question? Let me stop the recording and we can discuss.